This is an instructional video detailing the functions and applications of the Phase 2 PTG-3700 and 3750 coating thickness gauges. These coating thickness gauges are designed to test non-magnetic coatings on both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. The technology is based on a single multi-purpose probe that combines both eddy current and magnetic induction capabilities in order to auto-detect ferrous or non-ferrous substrates. Phase 2 offers two models in this series of coating thickness gauges. The PTG-3700 comes with a built-in probe, and the PTG-3750 with an external probe, which may help in tight testing spots. Both models work exactly the same way and are even priced the same. For demonstration purposes, we will use the 3700 version. This model comes with two substrate standards, one ferrous and one non-ferrous. Also provided is a set of sample calibration standards for easy calibration checking. Now let's move over to the operation of the coating thickness gauges and how easy it is to utilize the different functions, taking tests, and obtaining readings. As you can see, the keypad layout is quite simple. You have a power key, which is also the 0 button, a read key, a delete key, and arrow keys for scrolling. The power key also acts as a menu key. If you hold down the menu key for a few seconds, you'll see the screen change first to off, then cal, then unit, then SC, then FN, cal, LN, and finally back to off. Taking a test is extremely simple. Power up the unit pressing the red-white button. The unit is defaulting to micron since the calibration standards supplied are in micron. The 0 function is designed to zero out the gauge on a substrate without coating. Place the gauge on a non-coated substrate and press the 0 key while the probe is in contact. 0 will then show on the display. Now select a calibration standard that is similar to the coating thickness of your application. Place it on top of the steel substrate sample, then place the probe over the standard and press firm to flat. Readings will display on the screen. Notice the FE showing on the right of the screen. This signifies that the substrate used was ferrous. Now move the standard over to the aluminum substrate sample, take a test, and the reading will be displayed on the screen. You will now notice that on the right, NFE is displayed. This means the substrate used is non-ferrous. To take the next measurement, lift the probe off the test piece and then repeat. Should you find that your readings are not within acceptable tolerances, take a test and after removing the probe from contact, use the arrow buttons to calibrate to the known value of the calibration standards. Then repeat test taking procedure. Repeat this step until result is correct. Note this model on screen displays minimum maximum readings, average, and number of stored values. Let's go into the menu so we can see how to change from micron to micro-inch. Press the power button and hold for a few seconds until unit shows on the screen. The unit of measure will automatically change from one to the other standard once you release the button. To change from single measurement mode to continuous scan mode, hold down the power key a few seconds until SC is displayed. On screen, mode will change once you release the 0 key. This concludes our function and application guide for the Phase 2 PTG-3700 series coating thickness gauges. Should you have any question, feel free to contact Phase 2 at 201-962-7373.